Before we do anything, you want to establish whether it's the phone problem or the cable and charger problem. So you want to try a different charger in your phone, see if that works. If it's still not working, then it's most likely a phone problem. If it is a phone problem, make sure that your phone is turned off. Then you want to look at the charging port. You want to grab one of these, a cotton earbud, and you want to swab the charging port. Make sure that there's no dust in there. So just use this on the charging port. And then you want to blow into the charging port. Don't blow heavily, just blow softly. You want to blow into it. Then you want to flip the cotton bud and then do the same thing. Use the cotton bud on the charger hole. If you still see some dust in there, you can keep trying to blow inside and keep using this cotton bud to just clean the charger hole, the charger port. If it's still not working and you try 2 different chargers, then the charging port is just probably broken. You should take it to a repair shop.